Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with all our latest tutorials. Don't miss out, hit subscribe now. In this tutorial, we're transitioning our Dropbox widget to a DatePicker widget within our application, enhancing user interaction for date selection. In this tutorial, we're transitioning our Dropbox widget to a DatePicker widget within our application, enhancing user interaction for date selection. First, within the Properties tab, we easily switch the widget type to a date picker. Additionally, I'll apply a new skin, which you can find on GitHub, named Month Picker, to improve the widget's aesthetics. Next, we'll need to adjust our JavaScript code. In the initialization part, we create a variable called selected_year and return it as the value for the date picker. Importantly, we update the event handling from a choose event to a pick event, which is specific to date pickers, ensuring that our widget reacts appropriately when dates are selected. To accommodate our new widget, we set its width to 130 pixels and then deploy these changes. Once deployed, the date picker is visible on our application, initially set to the year 2025. Notably, this year doesn't display data in model on base because we filter out zeros. However, switching to 2024 brings up all relevant data. For users interested in seeing months within the date picker, which is currently hidden, we can adjust the CSS. By removing the display none line from the date picker month section in the CSS file and redeploying, months become visible. This tweak, along with the ability to display days, is further refined directly through the CS file. Once these modifications are saved and the application is refreshed, the enhanced date picker not only shows the selected year, but also allows for detailed month and day selections, significantly improving the functionality and user experience of our Model Maker interface. In this tutorial, we upgraded our application by replacing the Dropbox widget with a date picker. After altering the widget type and applying a new Month Picker skin from GitHub, we adjusted our JavaScript to handle pick events and set the initial display to 2025. We also modified the CSS to display months and days, enhancing the functionality of the date picker. Next time, we will explore how to integrate and use an image widget to further enhance our application's interface. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with all our latest tutorials. Don't miss out, hit subscribe now.